Hey guys, we're back at 11:16, and as I copy our 50 spot list, we're running the fourth in our series of minis for the AFA Power of the Force 18 winner Super Monster Mega Battle, which hopefully we'll be able to run tomorrow. But right now, we're running the fourth mini. Top 6 get spots in the main. Paste a list of 50 spots in there. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. Got a 4 there, I'm rolling again. We got a 9. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys. We're almost there. Here we go. Sean, round 1. Pat, round 2. Alex, 3. Ryan, 4. Eric, 5. Alex again on top in round 6. Eric, 7. Peter in the top spot for our next to last round, round 8, which brings us to the money round, the final round. Good luck, homies. Here we go. Our winners are Steve, Eric, Adam, Eric Rand, Josh, and Steve Stanek. Again, those are our top 6. Congrats, guys. Nice hits. FQSODZ. There's our top 6. Good on you. We're done just as the clock is turning to 11:18 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Later.